Allstate is the latest company to stop selling new home insurance policies in California. It comes after State Farm announced the same thing last week. My co-anchor Kimberly Hunt is live in Chula Vista. Kim, these major insurers, they say the policies are just way too financially risky for them.
That is what they're saying, Wale. I am right here at Otay Lakes Road in Chula Vista. This is an area that local fire crews are treating with fire retardant ahead of the hot, dry months to come. Paradise Mountain Road in Valley Center and Wildcat Canyon between Lakeside and Ramona are also being sprayed this year. And it's all in an effort to prevent big wildfires. Those wildfires are one of the reasons that Allstate has stopped selling new home policies in California. That and the high cost of construction are creating too much financial risk. Last week, State Farm said it would no longer accept new applications for property coverage. State Farm is the state's largest carrier. Allstate and State Farm say they will continue to protect current policyholders. We spoke with geologist and professor emeritus at SDSU, Dr. Pat Abbott. He pointed out a trend in California wildfires that is not making things any easier for homeowners or insurance companies.
Well, when we look at the wildfire history of California, let's talk about the 21 largest wildfires in California history. That would be measured from 1932 up till date. Well, in the first 71 years, that would be 3 wildfires. In the last 20 years, there are the other 18 megafires. We've even had a gigafire, more than 1 million acres burned. And then we see these things like, our own experience, the Cedar Fire. Over 2,000 homes burned. Well, that's $2 billion in homes right there. What insurance company has $2 billion just sitting there in cash ready to hand out?
Staggering figures. And for those in need of a new policy, there are still some options. The Insurance Information Institute says for those in especially high-risk areas, there are specialty companies not regulated by the state that can offer policies, but you need to know they tend to be much more expensive. There's also the California Fair Plan.
That is run by the industry with fire only. That's the highest risk people that can't get a policy anywhere else. They can get one with the California Fair Plan. Not all states have that available, so we have to appreciate the fact that you can. Once you're in the California Fair Plan, you don't need to stay there. You should continue to shop, and when insurance becomes available, get a full comprehensive policy with a company that's offering.
As you heard, the California Fair Plan is fire-only coverage for those in high-risk areas that can't get an insurance policy. According to the program's website, the coverage is a temporary safety net, providing coverage until a traditional carrier becomes available. It's made up of all insurers licensed to conduct property and casualty business in California. The plan has been in effect since 1968, following California riots and wildfires back in the 1960s. So far, it is just State Farm and Allstate, but other carriers could follow suit. It's just one more worry for homeowners in this volatile financial situation right now amid a backdrop of climate change. But that'll do it for us right now here in Chula Vista. Back up to you, Wale, in the studio.
All right, Kimberly, thank you. And speaking